Then only say this is whatever presentation is right. So this is the validation performance analysis. So whatever the criteria, whatever the final decision, you have to validate and then only choose the final one. So for this, the sensitivity analysis can be taken. Suppose any data and the rank reversal and similarity with other LCDM approaches. That means comparing with other approach. You take one method and you take some other 3-4 methods and you can check. Validation means nothing but checking. Checking your decision taken with other. Okay? And the experiment rank correlation coefficient and the weighted rank measurement coefficient and the rank similarity coefficient. So these are the validation methods. So here generally before the SCDM is nothing but single person and single criteria decision environment. So it is very simple, but always MCDM, that is multi-person and multi-criteria, is always preferable. So that is MCDM is nothing but multi-criteria decision making. What we are considering is, even while taking for multi-criteria decision making, instead of single person